Ever wondered what a day in the life of a plumber looks like? In this video, we follow the daily tasks and challenges plumbers face on the job, from fixing leaks to installing new systems. You'll get a behind-the-scenes look at the essential skills needed for the role and how plumbers manage different tasks in residential and commercial projects. We'll also introduce you to Worker Finder, your go-to platform for finding skilled laborer and construction jobs, including plumbing opportunities. Whether you're looking to start a career as a plumber or are an experienced tradesperson seeking your next job, Worker Finder connects you with the best opportunities. We'll give a brief overview of what viewers can expect in the video, focusing on a typical day in the life of a plumber. We'll explain how plumbers are essential in both residential and commercial settings, handling everything from installations to emergency repairs. The intro will also introduce Worker Finder, highlighting how the platform helps plumbers and other skilled laborers find construction jobs. By setting the stage for the day-to-day tasks and challenges plumbers face, this chapter engages viewers who are curious about the profession or looking for new opportunities in the trade. Morning routine, preparing for the job. This chapter takes viewers through the morning routine of a plumber, from organizing tools to preparing for the day's tasks. We'll highlight how preparation is key, as plumbers need to assess job requirements, gather the right equipment, and ensure they have the necessary materials before heading out. Viewers will see how a typical day starts with planning the workday, scheduling client visits, and troubleshooting potential challenges. This segment offers insight into how plumbers stay organized and efficient, setting the tone for a productive day ahead. Typical plumbing tasks, installations, and repairs. In this section, we'll cover the core tasks a plumber handles daily, from fixing leaks and unclogging drains to installing water heaters, toilets, and piping systems. We'll show viewers how plumbers balance routine jobs with more complex challenges, often requiring a combination of technical skills and hands-on expertise. The segment emphasizes the variety of plumbing tasks, whether it's troubleshooting existing systems or implementing new installations. Viewers will get a clear understanding of the breadth of work involved in plumbing and how each day can bring different challenges and projects. Challenges plumbers face on the job. Here, we'll dive into the common challenges plumbers face while on the job. From dealing with unexpected issues like old, deteriorating pipes to navigating difficult working conditions in tight spaces, plumbers must be prepared for anything. We'll also talk about how weather, time constraints, and customer expectations can add pressure to the job. This chapter gives viewers an appreciation of the problem-solving skills and adaptability required to succeed as a plumber, providing a realistic look at the hurdles professionals encounter and how they overcome them. Key skills every plumber needs. In this chapter, we highlight the essential skills needed to be an effective plumber. From technical knowledge of plumbing systems and tools to problem-solving, attention to detail, and strong customer service, plumbers need a versatile skill set. We'll explore how physical stamina, manual dexterity, and a thorough understanding of building codes and safety regulations are critical for completing jobs successfully. This segment helps viewers understand what it takes to succeed in the plumbing industry, whether they're aspiring plumbers or experienced tradespeople looking to enhance their skill set. How to find plumbing and construction jobs with Worker Finder. This chapter introduces viewers to Worker Finder, a platform designed to help skilled laborers, including plumbers, find job opportunities in the construction and skilled trades industry. We'll explain how the platform works, offering practical tips on how to create a profile, apply for jobs, and connect with employers looking for experienced tradespeople. Whether viewers are just starting out or looking for their next role, Worker Finder offers a range of job listings tailored to their skills. This segment ensures viewers understand how to use the platform to jumpstart or advance their plumbing careers. Start your plumbing career today. We summarize the key points covered in the video, reinforcing the variety and challenges involved in a plumber's daily work. We'll remind viewers of the skills and preparation needed to excel in the field and encourage them to explore plumbing job opportunities with Worker Finder. Whether they're seasoned professionals or just starting out, Worker Finder is the go-to platform for finding reliable, well-paying plumbing and construction jobs. We'll end on a motivational note, urging viewers to take the next step in their plumbing career by signing up with Worker Finder. Thanks for watching. We hope this video gave you a clear insight into the day-to-day life of a plumber and the essential skills needed for success. Whether you're an experienced plumber or just starting your journey, remember that every day brings new challenges and opportunities in this rewarding field. If you're ready to find your next plumbing or skilled construction job, be sure to check out Worker Finder, your go-to platform for connecting with top employers in the industry. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on skilled trades and job opportunities. See you in the next video.